Imagine yourself in this Hyundai 2018 Elantra SEL. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, SiriusXM radio, AM/FM HD SiriusXM MP3 display audio, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry and steering wheel mounted audio controls. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.